हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम स्वाति एंड इस वक्त हूँ मैं लेपाक्षी विलेज में विच फॉल्स अंडर द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ अनंतपुर इन द स्टेट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश।
Lepakshi village apparently is one of the most popular weekend destination, especially if you are from Bangalore or Hyderabad, since it can be easily covered in one day.
Well, apparently this is my second visit to Lepakshi. I first came to Lepakshi in the year 2016 while I was solo backpacking across India. But that time I wasn't able to catch much on it. But provided the culturally and archaeologically rich that this site is, I had to make a comeback and therefore I'm finally here.
The origin of Lepakshi temple has to do a lot with the mythological text of Ramayana, which is believed to be a place where the Devi Sita stepped on the ground when the demon king Ravana abducted her. The giant footmark inside the premises of Mount Kailash Mahadev temple indicates the same. It is also at Lepakshi village where it is believed that Jatayu, the vulture, fell after demon king Ravana cut his wings off, and it is only when he met Lord Rama, Jatayu died after hearing the word Lepakshi, which is from where the name of this village originated. This is the exact reason why you would spot the statues of open-winged vulture at most of the corners at Lepakshi village, believed to be of Jatayu. Lepakshi village undoubtedly preserves our ancient culture. Therefore, in this video, I am going to share an ultimate travel guide to explore Lepakshi village of Andhra Pradesh in under 5 hours. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay connected. Veerbhadra Swami is considered to be another form of Lord Shiva. The origination of Lepakshi Veerbhadra temple is believed to come from the morning phase of Mount Kailash Mahadev, when in anger he threw his hairs on the earth, and it is believed to fall exactly at this place. Lepakshi Veerbhadra temple is one of the centrally protected monuments of national importance. The temple is quite famous for its hanging pillar, which is said to be one of its kind. At a distance of about 500 meters from the Lepakshi temple, you will going to spot a giant Nandi bull, believed to be one of the largest in the world. The giant size of this Nandi bull makes it one of the most interesting points to visit in Lepakshi village. You almost cannot miss a sight of it. It is said to be carved out of a single granite rock and is said to be the second largest monolithic structure in India after the statue of Bahubali in Shravanbelgoda. It is 20 feet in height and 30 feet in length, believed to be built in the same period as the Lepakshi Veerbhadra temple. It is said that though the Nandi faces in the exact direction of Veerbhadra temple, where you would also find a 7-faced Shiva Linga, but unlike the submission expression, the face of this bull is slightly high. Possibly the reason that this bull is built at a slight distance from the Lord Shiva Lingam. Recently, a theme park has been added in the list of must-see places in Lepakshi village by the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Board, owing to its association to the Ramayana bird. The best part about the Jatayu theme park is that it offers 360-degree view of the entire Lepakshi village. You can spot both the Nandi bull and Veerbhadra temple from the top. In case you are planning to visit Lepakshi village, please make sure to note down these travel tips. Comment below and let me know if you have ever heard or visited Lepakshi village. And for more such videos, please do subscribe to the channel. And I am going to see you in my next video.